wonder what kind of bird that was. Oh, another bird. I sure wish I had a smart bird feeder so I can recognize what kind of bird is in our backyard. And now I'm not talking about the chicken. So the most logistic place in our backyard to install the bird feeder and not being too far away from the Wi-Fi signal, and because we don't have a full-size tree in our backyard because we cut a couple of these trees, that looks like a good tree trunk to install it on. Now that I have my solar panel installed on this tree stump, it's oriented at an angle where it get good amount of sun, and I use one of these ties so it doesn't have loose wiring. Now I'm gonna open up this, okay, insert the USB-C, that way it's charging the camera with this solar panel. Check it out, 3 watts of solar power. Ooh wee, Midwest gets a lot of sun, so I don't have to charge the camera the normal way instead of using the solar power. Oh, look. I see a cardinal. Are they going to use the bird feeder? Oh my goodness. Oh, look at, they're fighting over the food. So here's another bird detected. And if you click on here, it says a northern cardinal. What about here? That does not look like cardinal. Oh, that was just a split second. It's an eastern bluebird. Oh, we don't see too many of that. So let me show you how to download it. It's very easy. So first you click right here, select the videos you want to download, and because I don't have SD card, check it out. It downloads directly to my phone, and I can gain access to that from the camera. See all these recordings? That's how easy it is to retrieve them. Let's check to see what this audible alarm means. I think this is to scare away animals that might be eating the birdseed, or you just want to scare away, like for example, a woodchuck or a groundhog. Let's activate the audible alarm. Right, so here I am in front of the bird camera, testing on the video, audio capability, and the motion sensor in the dark of night. You guys hear me? You guys have a good night, good evening.